Ikaw ba'y nakakaranas ng pagkalagis ng buhok, pagkapanot, o nakakalbo? According to American Hair Loss Association, approximately 25% ng mga kalalakihan ang nakakamana at nagsisimulang mawala ng buhok bago ang edad na 21. Sa edad na 35, approximately 66% ng mga lalaki ang makakaranas ng ilang antas ng pagkawala ng buhok. At sa edad na 50, approximately 85% ng mga lalaki ang magkakaroon ng mas manipis na buhok.
What?
Ang mga sanhi ng pagkakalbo ng buhok ay dahil na rin sa genes, stress, chemotherapy at sa mga chemicals na ginagamit natin sa ating buhok. At isama mo na rin dito yung pagtanda. So, ano ang solusyon? Kailangan natin kumain ng mga masustansyang pagkain. Iwasang gumamit ng mainit na tubig sa buhok at gumamit ng Dr. Vita Biotin with iron and omega-3.
Are you suffering from hair loss? Hi, I'm Dr. Maru Espino, an aesthetic and anti-aging doctor, and I've been growing hair since 2014. Let's talk about Dr. Vita Biotin with iron and omega-3 here at Dr. Vita Health Talk. Why do we suffer from hair fall? It's usually caused by eating habits, lifestyle, daily stress, and genetic inheritance. Dr. Vita Biotin with iron and omega-3 is composed of 8 ingredients. Omega-3 fatty acids, which help nourish hair follicles. Iron promotes red blood cell synthesis and reduces iron deficiency hair loss. Zinc, mitochondria requires the process of protein synthesis and cell differentiation, regulating the growth of human hair. That's why we need zinc for this. Selenium is an essential trace element for the body, which protects it from oxidative damage, and it can also reduce hair follicles from being damaged by free radicals. Vitamin B6 and B12 promotes blood circulation and delivers nutrients to the scalp and speeds up hair growth. Vitamin C makes hair root cells healthier. Folic acid maintains hair follicle cell metabolism. Biotin maintains normal hair growth to provide the strength for the hair. Dr. Vita Biotin with iron and omega-3 addresses the root cause of hair problems because it gives your hair the most nutrients, stabilizes hair follicles, and reduces hair loss, further improves hair quality, slow down hereditary hair loss, makes you look younger and feel younger. How do we use the Dr. Vita Biotin with iron and omega-3? We use 2 capsules daily, 1 capsule in the morning and 1 capsule at night. And to an enhanced effect, we will take 2 capsules in the morning and 2 capsules in the night. Mula bata hanggang pagtanda, iba mag-alaga ang Dr. Vita.